whether it is in the anterior superior position. Second checklist. Third, against the slope of the articular eminence. Third checklist. Okay.
But how will we see clinically?
Yes, that I'll tell you. We are not going to see it clinically, but whenever we are seeing any photograph or whenever we are seeing an MRI or a CT scan, this is the position which is called as the centric relation position. We cannot see it clinically, but it is clinically discernible. Okay, when the mandible, we can see it is a clinically repeatable position.
We can create that.
Yes, it is a repeatable, recordable position. And this position is independent. As you saw in the definition, is there any mention about the tooth contact? No. So this position is independent of tooth contact. We will never see the tooth contact in this position. This is called as the centric relation position. It is the centric position of the condyles.
Okay. So does it mean that if they say it's independent of tooth contact, does it mean that tooth do not contact at all in this position?
No. It is not necessary. The tooth may contact, the tooth might not contact. Irrespective of that.
Right.
Yes. We are not commenting in the centric relation position. We do not comment anything about the tooth contact. Okay. And it is restricted to purely, as we know, for some amount the mandible rotates and after that it transfers. So it is restricted to a purely rotary movement of the mandible. So this is a short video.
Factors that your doctor will evaluate during the course of your exam. One of which is the actual jaw joint, the hinge that opens and closes your mouth. The hinge is a ball and socket similar to those in your shoulder and hip. When in the closed position, ideally the ball fits into the...
See, can you see it is the thinnest avascular portion over here?
socket on each side of your head and should fully rest and into the socket in circulation. As your jaw opens, the ball not only rotates in the socket, but actually glides out of the socket, allowing your mouth to open.